Okay, so something different again. I'm going to be ripping a piece of this countertop off, and I want it a nice long straight piece. So the Ryobi comes with a guide. You put the guide on there, put it through here, tighten it up, put it on the line that you want. Sometimes when you're setting it up, it helps to get the guide all the way up. See, there's a line there that I want to be on. See that line? Okay, when you start cutting with this thing, what you got to remember is you got to keep pulling the saw over that away. You got to make sure you're pulling it over. That's what you're not following the line or anything. You're going where the guide's going. So you got to make sure that guide stays flush against the thing. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. Slip the blade not easy with one hand. Oh, it's going to put it on this tripod, so let's do that. Okay, so you know you got your blade adjuster here, so when you're setting it up, you can put it on there, line that thing up in and out to where you want it to go. And then when you're cutting it, you really still don't want to be much deeper than the board you're cutting. So just a little bit through the board. And that way it prevents accidents from happening too. And you got to make sure this is perpendicular. Last night, that battery was fully charged. And it's like fully dead now. That's weird. I think the cold weather got to it, but I don't know. You gotta keep pressing it over. That battery's not very good either. That's been on charge this morning and I've hardly even used it. So now if you want to cut this straight, you should take that off. That's what I'll do. Unscrew that. I think I've lost a screw on my front of that. It only really matters if you're cutting something at an angle. There we go. So that battery, that big battery is disappointing. That's a big old 4 ampere. And the good thing about these new ones, you've probably seen this, they got the charger on the back and it tells you one green light. Okay, talk to you later. Back to KGO's, San Francisco. Or actually it was KIX somewhere, Kicks, country music.